Pocket doors in. Looks pretty nice. It's kind of pretty smooth. Yay! And the plumbers have been here, so toilet's been installed. And faucet, light fixtures will be going in this week. It's the mirror. It's an antique oak framed mirror that will go up here. And towel ring, toilet paper holder. They have finished the stairs. A little dirty from going up and down, but still pretty nice looking. This is one of the lights that will be going up here this week. Got another one at the top of the stairs. So here are the steps, all finished. Here's the other light at the top of the stairs. Chandelier that will go in. Ceiling fan, another chandelier. There's the faucet for the kitchen. Underneath is a garbage disposal. And one of those two lights, haven't decided which one will look best there. And 3 pendants to go over the bar top. Dishwasher. Microwave is in place along with the refrigerator. No stove yet. They brought these little heaters in to keep things warm. These are amazing. There's one downstairs and this one, and it is super comfortable here. I think we might want to invest in a couple of these. This is what they are. It is super comfortable in here right now with just this one upstairs. You may have seen this earlier, but that was before they put the toilet in. We got these cool doorknobs. They'll be all upstairs. I like the cracked porcelain look. And then shower fixtures are in. Faucet. These lights will be going in this week over the sinks, and there's the last faucet. Then lastly, this fixture. Here is this faucet and the toilet. The showers. And this is the accessories that we are going to be putting in this bathroom. So I wanted so badly to start moving stuff up here. So I brought this up here. Brought this from Kansas City. It's red because of the Chiefs. Go Chiefs. But I also think it looks a little Christmassy with the green of the house. I know it's early, but hey, it is what it is.